शायद ये मेरा पहला सक्सेस इंटरव्यू है जहाँ मैं फिल्म के बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन के बारे में नहीं बात करूँगी, बट आई थिंक आई विल टॉक अबाउट द लव दैट पीकू हैज़ गॉट, एंड पीकू completely has taken over, has been getting great response. So has it still settled in, और अभी भी लग रहा है कि नहीं शायद ये सच नहीं है?
It is a bit of a surreal feeling. I don't think any of us, at some level, yes, when I read the script, when I looked at the characters and the story and the situations, of course I knew that it's something that we're all going to relate to, identify with, smile, feel good and walk out. I really didn't think that it would hit the roof like this. I don't think any of us expected it.
And of course इरफान, पहली रोमांटिक फिल्म, आपने बहुत इंटरव्यूज़ में बोला है कि मैं रोमांटिक फिल्म करने के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ, हर कोई मुझे सीरियस रोल्स के लिए कास्ट करता है, तो बहुत खुश है रोमांटिक हीरो जैसे भी आप एक्सेप्ट हो गए हैं। दीपिका के साथ हो भी।
देखिए वो मैंने पहले भी कहा था,
very intense workshops. So
to bring the chemistry
and to make this thing work, very very intense, 8 hours, 10 hours, really work.
Push-ups. There was an actor, I swear there was an actor in international film I did with him. He used to do push-ups just before the shots. वो कुछ नहीं करता,
which actor?
वो केमिस्ट्री के लिए नहीं करते थे ना,
but he was trying something,
you know. For chemistry, sir.
मेरे को एक याद है, आपने मुझे इंटरव्यू दिया जहाँ बोला था कि आपने जब सिनेमा देखना शुरू किया था, वो जो रोमांटिक हीरोज थे उससे काफ़ी इंस्पायर हुए थे कि हीरो बनना है, एक्टिंग में जाना है, बट वैसा वाला रोमांस ही नहीं था, क्लीशे जैसा, यू नो, डेट पे ले जाना या कहीं ले जाना, वैसे नहीं।
वैसा रोमांस जो है आपका फिल्मों ने जिंदा किया था, और कॉन्सेप्ट प्यार का फिल्मों ने ही बनाया था कि ऐसे देखते हैं और फिर जो है जन्म जन्म का बंधन बन जाता है, एंड यू नो I really believed in it, and I was trying to find it when I was teenager. Then you know I had a relationship and I tried to kiss her.
जो जन्म जन्म तक नहीं था बिल्कुल।
Yeah, it was like I felt like कुछ फीका हुआ, and I couldn't relate to that, and then there was kind of conflicts, and I said ये तो कुछ और हो रहा है. Then life taught me, and I'm so fortunate that right now I'm getting to play romance where you don't even touch each other, but there's so much unsaid is happening.
आपके साथ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ रोमांस का, जैसे इन्होंने बोला कि बड़े हुए जो फिल्म देखकर, मगर in reality of course romance is completely different.
But I still live in that world.
You still live in that world.
I still live in that world. Whether it's relationships, whether it's marriage, whether it's my idea of love, it's still that.
Still filmों का love.
Yeah.
Okay, also, from the film, when I went out of the theatre, the first thing I thought, let me just call my father and talk to him. That feeling, you've left it really beautifully, of course, whatever the film takes us through. So this father-daughter relationship, how difficult was that for you to, maybe write it or maybe direct it? Of course, we've seen many films before also on father-daughters, but this really stands out. How difficult was it? And not too many, but few.
See, frankly speaking, it was not difficult for us to. Yes, it's difficult for us to develop the characters, but for me and Juhi, it was not difficult to rewrite. Because let me tell you, there is only one thread which any relationship matters. That's actually the unconditional love.
Yes.
And sometimes the unconditional love is not said. It is through your actions. Even if she's shouting at her father, but it's on the other layer, which she remembers, I told her, like we had a debate, how much of shouting should we do? Yeah. I'm saying we can shout as much, but on the other hand, you are taking care of father, you're giving medicines, you're giving food. That's a different game, a different relationship altogether.
And also, is your father in real life that irritating, or he's not?
Not at all, not at all. Very, very different. In a lot of ways, I'm also not like Piku in that sense. Like, I don't talk to my father like that. But the situations are different. You know, my dad's younger. He's different. Different personality. But like he said, I think the one consistent thing was, I am a daughter. I understand what a father and daughter relationship is. That feeling of love and respect and fear, because he is your father at the end of the day. But knowing that, you also have to take care of him. So if he's being stubborn, then you have to raise your voice a little bit. But it's not misunderstood as, how can she talk to her father like that? Because the next minute you see how loving they are to each other, and it's unconditional. You're not judging each other.
Thank you guys, and all the best for the coming weekends also.